Hi guys, this is Kai and I'm going to do an unboxing on the Nest Hello doorbell. Let's get into it. So we've got some nice backing up here. So slide off.
Where'd we get this from?
Nest.
No, Spark Automation lent it to us to demo.
Oh, this is hard. Okay. Okay, let's just
See if you can figure it out.
okay. Oh, there's tape on it.
Oh, this is a rough unboxing so far.
So there we go. We have the top off.
Ooh, okay, hold it there for a second. Let's take a look. Okay, first thoughts.
It looks really nice.
Does look nice.
So we've got the doorbell, and then I think we've got some stuff under here. Let's just put that there.
Stuff? Is that the official term for it? Is that the technical term?
Like the cords. So first, we've got some instructions in here. Let's see what we got here. Oh, nice little sticker there.
What is that?
Net. It's a, just so you know that there's a nest there.
Oh.
So you have to hook it up to everything. You have to hook it up to everything. To the outside, hook it up to your phone and stuff like that.
Cool.
And then we've got, I wonder what's in here. Let's see. So let's open this.
Can you get in there?
Yep. So let's see if I can get into it here. Okay.
Having some technical difficulty.
Oh, this box is tight. Okay.
Wow. Have you unboxed anything before?
Yes.
What have you unboxed?
Google Home Mini.
Google Home Mini. And was it this hard?
No. This one is way more secure.
I thought you were supposed to unbox it and put it back exactly how it was boxed.
Nope.
No?
This is just going all through there.
It's done.
So
What is that?
we've got some our little
Wow.
our nails,
Screws.
screws, and whatever these are, which we'll probably find out in our
I
instructions
betcha. And a
here.
drill bit? I was not anticipating a drill bit.
And whatever this is.
Wow.
Get it. So what else do we got in here? So right now we've got our instructions. We've got our sticker here. We've got this stuff.
What's this thing?
Looks like for the back of the back
Oh,
of our
the bracket.
nest.
The wall, like a wall bracket.
And we've got our little screw things. And we've got, what else do we got here? We have a cord. Follow instructions. So it looks like hook up, hooks up to the wall. Okay. So let's go into this. It looks very fresh.
Very fresh.
So I think you just push here, yep, the pad, and it has the camera right there.
Okay, let's see the camera covered for now.
There we go.
Cool. What's on the back side of it?
Just where you drill it in, and then where you hook it
Like a
up.
mini USB.
And then, yeah.
Cool. What do the instructions tell us?
In the ball, just wait. Follow instructions in this app. So you have to get the app and look at the instructions in the app.
Okay, well then how about we go get the app and then we'll come back.
Okay, so yeah, we'll be back.